Hey guys, so this project is basically for data engineers who are at mid-level, okay, and who is trying to learn some new technologies like dbt Spark. In this project, mostly I have used dbt, and for small jobs I have used Spark. Okay, so let me start with the architecture of this data pipeline. So here, what I am doing is, if you see here, I have a Google API, okay, which you can get for free, and through which you can pull the trending videos data for 100 plus countries. I have for each country you get around 50 trending videos. So I am pulling that with the help of Python script, and I store that data as a JSON file. And that JSON file I am providing that to a Spark job, which will basically flatten the JSON data into columns, and then it will store that data to Parquet file. Okay, and if you want to extend this if you want to extend this project, you can also store this Parquet files to somewhere in AWS S3. But currently I've stored it in locally only. Okay, and from that Parquet file, I'm directly loading the data to Snowflake tables, Snowflake stage tables, okay, which will be basically our raw data. And then on top of that data, we have dbt models, which will transform and basically create the AND tables, which you can call it publish table or mart tables. And with the help of that publish or mart tables, I have let me yeah. So with the help of that, I can actually create the PDF report. I have a Python script which basically provide you all the tables in figures and everything. Okay, and also I have used Power BI. Okay, to project that data into graphs. Okay, so these are the technologies we will be learning in this project, and it is a very good project for a beginner. Okay, from learning perspective. So it's very simple and small pipeline. Okay, let me go through quickly through the folders. So in SSH folder, you will have that RSC key. Currently, I have removed that RSC key. Okay, you have to create that. Okay, and you have to update that. In data, basically, you will have this is the raw data that we get from API. Sorry, these are the Parquet files. This is our data JSON file that we get from the API. Okay, and these are the process data after Spark job. Okay, so Spark jobs basically store their data here. Okay, let me go to next. So yeah, here in ingestion folder we have two scripts. One will download the data from Google API. Okay, and the upload files are this script basically upload the Parquet files. Okay, we have stored in data to Snowflake stage table. Okay, then we have logs is for dbt, and I have also attached the Power BI sheet you can refer to, and it will create a PDF report. Okay, I will show you this later. Okay, and in Snowflake I have kept all the DDLs I have used in the project. Okay, which will definitely help you. Okay, and in the Spark job we have just one script. Okay, which is basically, if you see what it is doing, it is getting all the columns. Okay, it is flattening all the data, and it is storing that into a Parquet file. That's a very small job. Okay, but uh, for the learning purpose how Spark works, okay, I've used that. And then basically we have dbt models, okay, where you will see the staging tables, okay, the intermediate tables. These all are views, and the mart are our end tables, okay, which I have categorized based on the data we have. Okay, so this is all about dbt. And below, yeah, this is config file. Basically, if you are cloning this repository, you have to update your API key, your user account. Okay, these details you have to update, and then only you can run the job. Okay, and for this architecture diagram, okay, I've also built Docker. Okay, this whole project is I'm running on Docker because I don't want any environment issues. So that's why I'm using this. Okay, you can simply, you have to create an image. Okay, I have mentioned all the requirement.txt, and I've done a good documentation. You can go through with this, and you will understand the whole project. Okay, it is a very simple and small project, it's not something big. Okay, and also for your reference how to run this project, I have given all the comments here. Okay, and also I have scripted a shell script, you can directly run this as well. Okay. Okay, so okay, if you want Power BI, I have also in my repository I have attached Power BI as well. So let me show you that as well. So if you see, you can export all the reports like this. Okay, so these are the two reports that this project creates. Okay, so you can use this. If there is any YouTuber watching this, okay, this project might help you to create your content, okay, to get more reach, okay, to get the correct category, to get more views and everything. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this thing. And after that, I have pushed all my codes to my repository. I will attach this link in the description of this video. You can go through, you can clone it, run it, and then you can learn it. Okay, anyhow, I am gonna, post it on my LinkedIn account as well. Okay, if anything, you can reach out to me on my LinkedIn. Okay, you can reach out to my LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile. Message me if you have any idea about a new project or anything. I am more happy to help you. Okay, anytime. So that's all. Thank you so much. Okay, I hope you learn something from this project. Okay, it is a pretty small and simple project. Okay, next one we will get a video after a month, I guess. Okay, I'm working on some new pipelines. Okay, with some new tools. So we will learn together. Okay, that also, if you like this video and you want such more videos on DBT, or you can say data engineering tools or anything, you can comment. Okay, let's see. For now, bye.